Good day, my Pine Richland Middle School secret agents. As your director, Dr. Christophic, you're on a mission to understand Pine Richland Middle School. Tonight, you will explore and navigate the building. You will use your map to get from class to class. Once you are there, listen and learn what happens within each classroom.
Welcome to 5th period geometry class. I'm going to tell you about my class.
Agents, your first assignment tonight is to get excited. Agents, you will meet your teachers who will inspire, engage, and motivate.
Okay, this is the Schools to Watch banner.
Agents, by now you've seen the Schools to Watch banner. What does the banner mean? It means Pine Richland Middle School has demonstrated the characteristics of an outstanding middle school within 4 categories. They include social equity, developmental responsiveness, organizational structures, and finally, academic excellence. As by agents, you must get involved in the coming months.
Come on guys, I think we made it to the cafeteria. What should we do? Cookies!
You will be invited to share your perspectives and experiences with a team of Schools to Watch evaluators. When you're invited, show up and proudly tell others about Pine Richland Middle School. With your help, we will earn Schools to Watch status for the next 3 years. Agents, I am anxious to get started, so remember, keep this confidential. This mission is possible. Your last assignment, should you choose to accept it, is to get to class on time. Our top secret mission will begin when you hear the bell.